Alright guys, I'm running the mini for Tyler, which is for ASM number 78, and it looks like top 4 spots get winners, gets spots in the main. First gets 9, second gets 6, third gets 4, and fourth gets second. Let's get a timestamp. (8:56) on Saturday the 4th of December. 8:56 here on Saturday the 4th of December. Let's have a look at the spots. We've got it. Spot 126 is Morris. Spot number 1 is Tim. I've punched those in already. Tim at spot 1, right down to 126, which is Morris. And let's get a roll going of 3 dice. Oh, nice short one. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Good luck, everyone. I'm sure Tyler will update this, and our main run will probably occur tomorrow once all payments are through. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Roll was 3, 4, 5, 6, so 2 to go. Second last one. And here's the last one. Roll number 6. Alright, we got, roll number 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 spots, and let's have a look at who's in 4th position. It's spot number 4 is Morris. So Morris gets 2 spots. 4 spots at spot number 3 is Morris. And on a bit of a roll, and it's spot 2 gets 6 and first gets 9. So let's have a look. 2 is Neville. 1 is, oh wow, Morris. Congrats, mini winners. Tyler will update this for you. Get a timestamp. Oh, what happened there? Unable to post comment. That's weird. Strange. Anyway, that's been done. So I will stop the recording.